Kerala is a state on the southwestern Malabar coast of India. It was formed on 1st November 1956, following the passage of the States Reorganisation Act, by combining Malayalam-speaking regions of the erstwhile states of Travancore, Cochin, and Madras. Spread over 38,863 square kilometers, Kerala is the 21st largest Indian state by area. It is bordered by Karnataka to the north and northeast, Tamil Nadu to the east and south, and the Lakshadweep Sea to the west. With 34 million inhabitants as per the 2011 census, Kerala is the 13th largest Indian state by population. It is divided into 14 districts, with the capital being Thiruvananthapuram. Malayalam is the most widely spoken language and is also the official language of the state. The Chera dynasty was the first prominent kingdom based in Kerala. The A kingdom in the deep south and the Ejimala kingdom in the north formed the other kingdoms in the early years of the Common Era. The region had been a prominent spice exporter since 3000 BCE. The region's prominence in trade was noted in the works of Pliny as well as the Periplus around 100 CE. In the 15th century, the spice trade attracted Portuguese traders to Kerala and paved the way for European colonization of India. At the time of Indian independence movement in the early 20th century, there were two major princely states in Kerala: Travancore state and the Kingdom of Cochin. They united to form the state of Thirukochi in 1949. The Malabar region, in the northern part of Kerala, had been a part of the Madras province of British India, which later became a part of the Madras state post-independence. After the States Reorganisation Act, 1956, the modern-day state of Kerala was formed by merging the Malabar district of Madras state, the state of Thirukochi, and the taluk of Kasaragod in South Kerala, which was a part of Madras state. The economy of Kerala is the 10th largest in India, with $110 billion in gross state domestic product and a per capita GSDP of $2,900. Kerala has the lowest positive population growth rate in India, 3.44%, the highest human development index, 0.784 in 2018, the highest literacy rate, 96.2% in the 2018 literacy survey conducted by the National Statistical Office, India, the highest life expectancy, 77 years, and the highest sex ratio, 1,084 women per 1,000 men. Kerala is the second least impoverished state in India according to the annual report of Reserve Bank of India published in 2013. The state topped in the country to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals according to the annual report of Niti Aayog published in 2019. The state has witnessed significant emigration, especially to the Arab states of the Persian Gulf during the Gulf boom of 1970 and early 1980, and its economy depends significantly on remittances from a large Malayali expatriate community. Hinduism is practiced by more than half of the population, followed by Islam and Christianity. The culture is a synthesis of Aryan, Dravidian, Arab, and European cultures developed over millennia under influences from other parts of India and abroad. The production of pepper and natural rubber contributes significantly to the total national output. In the agricultural sector, coconut, tea, coffee, cashew, and spices are important. The state's coastline extends for 595 kilometers, and around 1.1 million people in the state are dependent on the fishery industry, which contributes 3% to the state's income. The state has the highest media exposure in India, with newspapers publishing in 9 languages, mainly English and Malayalam. Kerala is one of the prominent tourist destinations of India, with backwaters, hill stations, beaches, Ayurvedic tourism and tropical greenery as its major attractions. A substantial portion of Kerala may have been under the sea in ancient times. Marine fossils have been found in an area near Changnassery, thus supporting the hypothesis. Prehistorical archaeological findings include dolmens of the Neolithic era in the Marayur area of the Idukki district. They are locally known as Muniyara, derived from Muni, hermit or sage, and Ara or dolmen. Rock engravings in the Edakkal caves in Wayanad date back to the Neolithic era around 6000 BCE. Archaeological studies have identified Mesolithic, Neolithic, and megalithic sites in Kerala. The studies point to the development of ancient Kerala society and its culture beginning from the Paleolithic age through the Mesolithic, Neolithic, and megalithic ages. Foreign cultural contacts have assisted this cultural formation. Historians suggest a possible relationship with Indus Valley civilization during the Late Bronze Age and Early Iron Age. Thank you for watching till the end. Please watch part 2. Let us discuss ancient and early medieval periods.